Guardspro mobile app's easy-to-use interface makes it highly recommended by the security officers. It is available on both Android and iOS. To get started, download the app from the Play Store on Android or App Store on iOS. You may be working with more than one security guard company. Therefore, Guardspro makes it convenient for you to add and manage multiple companies on the same app. You have 3 options to join or add a company on Guardspro mobile app. 1. Invite by SMS. 2. By invitation code. 3. Create profile. We'll talk about the options one by one. 1. Invite by SMS. In order to join a company as a guard, you must create an account with the Guardspro system. Once your employer, the Security Guard Company, adds you as a guard by using your mobile number, you will receive a text message with a link asking you to register as a guard. Once you click on the link, it will take you to the main guard registration page. Fill out the form and enter the password. Please note down the selected password. Next, depending on the device you are using, you will be taken to the App Store to download the app. Once downloaded, click on the Open button. The first option will allow you to enable your notifications. Please click on the Allow button. On the next screen, you will have the option to log into your account by using your phone number and password created during the account registration process. After you've logged in, you need to select the company. To view details, click on I. Click on Accept to join the company. Once approved, you will be able to check in to the selected company. 2. By invitation code. This code is provided by your employer, the Security Guard Company. If this is your first time you have been invited by a Security Guard Company and you do not have a Security Guard account with Guardspro, you will first need to download the app from the Play Store or App Store and register as a Security Guard. To register, please open your Guardspro mobile app and click on the Sign Up Here link below the login screen. After registration, you will be brought back to the sign-in screen. You can log in using your phone number or email ID. Next, on the Settings page, click on Select Company option and click on Add New Company. Next, enter the 6-digit invitation code provided by the Security Guard Company. Now select the company name and approve the company to join. 3. Create profile. The Security Guard Company can create a guard profile right from the dashboard. Once the profile is created, you'll receive the login details on your email ID. You can sign in to the Guardspro mobile app using the login credentials. If you have any more questions, please feel free to contact our support team anytime. Guardspro, #1 security patrol solution.